In today's episode, I will show you how to import a 3D model into After Effects using Element 3D. I usually go to TurboSquid.com to download free 3D models. You can register for free and have permission to download these files. I will begin by browsing the categories and selecting characters. Once I am on the page, I will filter out my selection. For price, I will select free. For formats, I will select OBJs. Let me find a 3D model that I want to import for this tutorial. This one looks very interesting. By selecting it, I will get more details for this model as well as who the creator of this model is. I can see this model was modeled in Autodesk Maya but contains an OBJ file. I like this model, so I will select the download button. Now I will go to After Effects. I will create a new composition. Leave these settings as they are, but I will change the resolution to full. I will create a new solid layer. Name it Element 3D. Leave all the settings the same. I'll add the Element 3D effect to the new layer I just created. I will now select the Scene Setup button. Once in Element 3D, I will select the Import button and locate the file where I have downloaded the 3D model. You will see the only files that can be selected is the OBJ file. You will also see the textures that came with the model. We will get back to these later. Select the OBJ file and import the 3D object. You will get this window. I will leave it as is and select OK. The 3D model will appear on the left side of the screen. It's a bit small, so I will scale the model. I will select the scale tool and then I will hover the mouse cursor to the center of the model. You will see a yellow square box appear in the center. Click, hold, and drag to scale. This size looks great. This specific model comes with 3 texture layers. Some might just be 1, but lucky for us, this came with 3. This layer is for the accessories. This one is for the body. And the third one is for the eyes. Let us select the first layer. Under Textures, select the Non-Set button for diffuse. A window will appear and select the Load Texture bar. Now, let us navigate to the texture folder that came with this model. Select the Accessories color image and press the Select Texture button. Now press OK. Now let us add the bump map. If you don't know what a bump map is, it creates an illusion of depth and texture on the surface of a 3D model. Let us select here and again select the Load Texture bar. This time, let's select the Accessories, Normal Image and press the Select Texture button. Now press OK. And let us do the same for the body texture layer. Perfect. I will leave the eyes white. Let me add an environment light. This looks great. I see there's too much reflection from the model. I will reduce the glossiness of the body texture. Let us go to the basic settings and reduce the glossiness to 20. I will do the same to the Accessories texture layer. This looks great. Now I will select the OK button. Let me create a camera so that I can move around the model. I will leave the settings as is. I will play around with the light settings to make it look a bit better. Let us go to the render setting in Element 3D. Under lighting, I add stylized lighting. I will enable the ambient occlusion and change the intensity to 5 and the contrast to 1. In the physical environment, I will change the exposure to 1.15 and the gamma to 1.05 and lighting influence to 0. That looks perfect. You now know how to import a 3D model into After Effects using Element 3D. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and leave a like. Till the next one.